Okay, this is my bike check. I got Flybike Luna bars, Shadow stem, Primo Kamikaze forks, premium tire folding, sucks balls, don't like it. FSA, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know, impact. I don't know. FSA headset, Primo N4 hub laced to some shitty stock tire, rim, whatever. I don't care. Shadow chain with the KMC chain with the stolen chain. Some shitty chain I have put together because my other one broke. Premium cranks. Shadow Ravender sprocket. Odyssey twisted PC pedals in white. I want to get black ones. Sean Sexton seat. Nice. Some shitty seat post. Flybikes. What's it called? Seat clamp. Odyssey path tire. I don't like it. Some shitty stock. I think stock back rim and hub. Here's the sound of it. Hold on.